Nakita ko yung posing na dito. Haggard na and gutom na. Ano oras na? 8, diba? Just arrived at Hong Kong, pero kanina pa palang 6. So nag-asikaso 2 hours. 2 hours na. Going to the Airbnb. Good luck sa amin. Sana hindi mawala. Yan yung mga sasakyan na bus. So para silang mga double-decker bus. We're looking for A21 or N21 going to our Airbnb. Ayun, yung A21. Sana hindi pa puno.
Okay.
We're here at the bus now. Finally. Naghintay pa kami ng mga around 10 minutes. Pero yung bus kasi puno na yung unang bus na A21. Anyway, 30 minutes going to our Airbnb. See you later. So, we're here at Airbnb finally. Ang tagal namin ng biyahe. Pero ayan yung itsura niya. Napakalaki, di ba? Kasyang-kasya kami. Hindi, maliit lang to. Super liit. Pero okay lang. Malinis naman siya. Ayan, bali pagpasok mo bed. Wait, 8.5 ko para, ayan. Ito agad yung bag namin. Ito yung door. Ayan, hulog na yung jacket ko. But yan, may side table. No, nasa may paahan na nga. Tapos, ito yung bed, and then my private bathroom naman. Kaya okay naman. And then my hanger. Now we're having dinner at 11 p.m. Nag-freshen up lang kami, shower, konting shower. And then, yeah, we went out. Hanap kami ng food, pero I think gusto ko naman 7-Eleven. Masarap naman.
Apa?
Yeah, bag. Bali, nabili namin yung vitamin C niya na drink. Kasi kailangan namin ng vitamin C. And then, lean body, may pa ganyan siya. Protein, kailangan ng protein intake. And then, beef jerky, tapos dry sausage. For our dinner na may rice. Itong rice with pork, preserved vegetable. Tapos yung isa, curry beef. Tapos mineral water lang. Ayun. Andito kami sa parang park. May mga nag-uusap ko sa likod kaya medyo maingay. Dinner na. Finally dinner. We're done eating dinner. Ano oras na? It's currently 11:55 and in the evening. Try namin to Hong Kong style milk tea. Nasa Hong Kong na ako para mag milk tea. Try lang. So, ito yung first milk tea in Hong Kong. So, ayun lang. Matutulog na din kami later para makapagpahinga. Kasi bukas long day. Ayun lang. Good night. Walking around and saw Jollibee. I'm thinking if we're gonna try it here. Pero, tingnan natin. Jollibee! Hey, Jollibee! Kunyari pa to.